So the UV wireless sanitizer and wireless charging. Clean your belongings by UVC lab. Clean your personal belongings, phone, Galaxy Buds, watch, etc. for hygienic lifestyle. Kills up to 99% of bacteria. Tested by third-party laboratory. Sanitizer kills up to 99% of, I can't pronounce that, in only 10 minutes, it says. And it supports wireless charging. Charges your mobile phone during sanitization. Applicable to most Android and iOS key compatible devices. Smartwatch is not included. So rated input is 9 volts, 2 amps, 5 volts at 2.1 amps. Wireless charging power is 10 watts. Sanitization time is 10 minutes. Efficiency of the sanitization, 99%. UV wavelength is 253.7 nanometers. Contents, sanitizer with wireless charging. User manual, Type-C cable. So nothing else in the box. Feels pretty lightweight. USB-C. Wireless charger. The UV lights on the sides. Instruction manual. USB-C to USB-A cable. And of course, no power brick. Okay. So it is charging. If you haven't seen that, I've connected it to my wireless charger phone. So it's working nice. Cover that. Turn that on. And you'll see the green light there. Oops. I'm going to turn that off real quick. So one thing you want to make sure you do not do is to turn that on with the UV light on. It's not supposed to be good for you, but let's see if... Yeah, Samsung was smart enough that it will not turn on if this is all open. So there you have it, and I'm sure it'll turn off if I lift the lid up. Let's see. Yep, turns off as soon as I lift the lid up, but it does not come back on. So that's a good feature. I like that. 10 watt charge, however, seems to be pretty slow for that. Right now I'm at 50% battery power, and that'll be 2 hours and 9 minutes until full, it says. So it is what it is. 2 hours 8 minutes until full battery charging.